Good evening. My name is Isaac. I'll be presenting my portion while Uriah first, then Dawson present their sections of our slides. I'm going to have to keep it in this formation, just the way I'm recording it. And if you hear background noise, it's because I'm on a plane recording this. So in an overview, we're going to go over the introduction to Flex and Bison, the project purpose, project requirements, the test environment we use, the functionality, our implementation, and then we'll probably do some analysis and just conclusion at the end. So, in an introduction to Flex and Bison, when we were developing our mini compiler, we chose to use Flex and Bison because these tools are tailored for general lexical analyzers and parsers, and we have a strong synergy and tailored for generating for C++ and C with our project. So while they're traditionally Unix based, they provide a lot of support to have comprehensive documentation, which are crucial for our learning and problem solving throughout the project. For our operating system, we're focusing on Windows, which may seem unconventional since Flex and Bison are associated with Unix, but it's a strategic choice. It's about making our compiler development as accessible as possible because most people don't use Unix. We'll be using the Windows versions of these tools, so like WinFlex and WinBison, to ensure a smooth development experience for our Windows OS. And for our project purpose, our main goal here is to bridge the theory and practice. We're not just learning about compilers from a textbook, we're actually building one. Using Linux and Bison, we'll see firsthand how source code is transformed into functioning programs. So our objectives, our three key objectives we're targeting is first, to get a firm grasp of lexical analysis and parsing. It's one thing to understand these concepts abstractly, but applying them and using tools like Lex and Flex and Bison gives us real-world skills we need. Second, we're creating a mini compiler capable of interpreting simple programming languages, and that's where we turn abstract syntax trees into concrete logic. And then our last one, we're going to tackle common compiler construction challenges, error handling, optimization, code generation. Those aren't just hurdles, they're opportunities for us to innovate and refine our approaches. And I'm really hoping you can hear me because I'm already 3.5 minutes in this presentation. And then for our project requirements, in this section we're basically going to outline the specific functionalities of our mini compiler. This includes basic arithmetic for numerical computations and incorporating trigonometric functions for more complex mathematical expressions, and essential control structures for dynamic programming, which is like flow control. And we got to compiling those, but the functionality is a little behind, but yeah, we still have it in there. So our compiler will fundamentally support the 4 basic arithmetic functions. It's designed to handle both integers and floating point numbers, ensuring good functionality, including appropriate error handling for division by 0 scenarios, which is crucial because it forms this component, like all of basic arithmetic, is basic backbone for most computational tasks that the compiler will do. Trig functions broaden the compiler's utility. It will also support or be equipped with to calculate the sine, cosine, tangent of angles, which can be input in degrees. This feature enhances our compiler's ability to handle scientific and engineering related computations. And then for our flow-through controls, we are able to compile loops, like for and while loops. However, their functionality can vary, as you'll see later on in the program, or later on in the presentation. And then, just in closing, for the project requirements, the ones we've defined are not just a list of features. They are the core upon which we built all our mini compiler. This project is designed to deepen our understanding of both practical and theoretical aspects of compiler construction, enhancing our coding skills and giving us insights into the intricacies of compiler design and function. And with that, I'll turn over to Uriah for the tools and environment.